guys, I'm gonna attempt to make a video. It's a little windy. I got some work to do to the car. I know I didn't record me putting the, there go the wind. Dang wind. I know I didn't record me putting coilovers on, but I am going to adjust them. Got my little cousin with me to help me out today. So I'm going to basically, I don't know if I'm gonna do 2 videos, but right now I'm gonna clean the headlights, actually install some new, what are these, DR2 HIDs that I just picked up off Amazon because I'm not paying $100 for a bulb, much as I drive this car right now anyway. So we're gonna throw them bulbs in, make sure my ballast is not bad, clean the lenses, and that's the first step for today before we adjust the height, set it, lock it, and drive it. Ain't gonna be no how to install bulbs, but for the most part, I have already took them out. As you can tell, what's wrong? Water inside of it, that's fine. Yeah, we dump it out. All right, guys, moment of truth. Step back, get them all in. They on.
Both of them?
Uh-huh. Hell yeah, man, that look better. Just do it.
Pieces right there.
Yeah.
Well, I try to curve that long piece.
Are you recording that, man? You know that?
Got a nipple right there. Swear. Not to mess up.
Might start milking.
Huh?
So be careful. It might start milking.
I already like it milking. Honest with you.
Much later.
It's a bit bigger than a dime, but hey.
You can adjust that one.
What? Huh?
You can adjust the clutch on it.
Oh, yeah, it's good. Bruh.
That shit look good. That's the only bad thing about them fucking things.
Nah, it's good. I'm just doing it. What, all the shit going everywhere?
Yeah. That's the only bad thing about it. That shit look good though. fire.
Yep.
Fire.
Yep, 24 bucks. Bro. Think that'd worth it, man.
That worked. That shit look good. Make sure you do that before and after. But like the picture. That shit look good.
That'd be my thumbnail.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Matter of
Hey,
fact.
you might can clean these up.
Alright guys, I put that. Huh? Yeah, I know, right? Alright guys, I did put the sealer and everything on it, man. I am very pleased with the results. That's the after, and here's the before. Sorry, I know it's windy, but doing what we can do, man. Supposed to let it sit about 15 minutes, then I'm going to remove the painter's tape, and probably let it sit overnight before I go wash it and wash it tomorrow.